How to change your first name on Shopify, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your first name on Shopify, easy and quick. First open your Shopify, and now once you're here, all you need to do just click on your profile in top corner and then click manage account. And as you see here, you can find your account details, and that's it. Now you can change it. Just type here anything you want, and that's it. Then don't forget to click save, and that's it. It will be saved. Now just go back, and I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and to subscribe, and see you in the next video.